tuna fish casserole with some macaroni cheese and a can of tuna. Both under what? A couple bucks, so under $5. Kids love it. Look, I'm boiling the tuna fish with the noodles so it softens up the tuna fish. And when it's done boiling, same way you make the Velveeta cheese or the off-brand, you go ahead and add the cheese. That nice gooey cheese. Fun fact, you won't have to add any oil or salt to your noodles to keep them from sticking, because if your tuna fish is soaked in oil, you have a little bit of that. Plus, naturally, in the tuna fish, you have some oil if in water. Once you drain the water, add your cheese. Now, once you add the cheese, then it's done. Look at that. Kids will love this compared to the potato soup. Kids will choose the macaroni and cheese.